Today is December 14th December 2025, and today I'm at our ongoing site and project which we haven't done earlier and which is not of our profile also. So here basically we are helping a client to establish another or additional space for the parking of this building residents based on the special request by the builder. Though they could have gone this with the civil structure, they wanted the things to be done it very fast with less cost when compared to the traditional, also with the less time, with lot of customization. So here the main challenge was, if you can see, they wanted to use this for a uh, car parking. Maybe probably here another 20 some odd cars are coming, and also they wanted the customization. Like if you can see this span, if you see all this span is there, this one, so here and all that. So that was the challenge here, to do this in a traditional building, without using much columns in between. So steel has got that advantage of customization, though the cost will increase the uh, steel and all that. You have much more customization with the steel structure. So this is what the client has preferred for that, and this has been ongoing since last 2.5 months, because this floor was not completed, and also there were different works which we are yet to complete it. And here we are using the optimized steel. Also we are using the I sections with the combination of, as usual, with the box pipes of 3 by 6 inches hollow sections, and also 300 by 140 ISMB manufactured by the Dhanlakshmi Industries Limited. And the same thing for the I sections also we are using. And the main challenge was, now if you can see, this site is not a very typical and regular site like what anybody can do on a regular basis. This is like a trapezoidal or a pizza shape size. If you see this whole part from this end to this end, if you see, it is 80 feet in a crossway. Then again you have this STP room in between, the side sump is there, and if you see that part also, it's like a triangular shape, where the challenge was to optimize the steel. And it's a very like a zigzag type work which we have to do, and at the same time we have to minimize the wastage of the steel also. And now the fabrication is almost done, only this part is pending. Only this part is pending from our side, which may be done in another 2 3 4 days. Then after that we'll be simultaneously laying the panels on the roof. Then we'll do the waterproofing. The other part of the work we have already completed. This side, this was another 4,500 square feet. If you see, the waterproofing also is done. So this part we have already completed this part. Again here also you see, this is the challenge here, to do proper steel work with the panels. All this panel, if you see, 50 panel is there. I couldn't go up and show you the waterproofing. Probably I'll shoot it through the drone and will show you. Again here we have used the same steel structure. I sections we have used, heavy sections we have used, because um, there was a challenge for us. The span we had, 30 to 40 feet span is there. So we have used some heavy structure here. We didn't wanted to compromise on the steel. At the same time, we haven't used much of the steel, as you see in other sectors where people, they use generally 2x 3x 4x time of the steel. So we have optimized here the steel for this particular site, around 20 tons of steel we have used. This part area is 5 tons, and this part is around 15 tons, and the other part that is around 20 tons is coming. So much care we have to take in the steel structure. And if you see all this 50 panel, we have laid it, and the painting work also is going on. Painting work also we are doing it on behalf of the client. And these are our 50 panels which are left over, which we bought for this site, which we'll be using for the other part. So this is the Birla New. Now the brand is changed. Instead of Birla Aerocon, it is coming Birla New. So this is the Birla New 50 Aerocon panels, and here we have laid it. Here we have found one challenge here. When I was walking on the roof, there was a mild play. So we have got another these got welded here, and that play part is also now not it is not there. So after this double columns and all, generally this happens because in between here there is not much, there are no columns basically. So that is why when the span is there, that kind of play will happen. It's not unnatural, it is regular only, it will happen. So the waterproofing part and all that, this is the first time we are doing this. This one, Mr. Das sir, this is not on a square feet basis. The pricing is generally we charge on a per kg basis for the steel. Our charges are 140 rupees plus GST for the steel. Then 50 channel at Hyderabad location will be charging 110 rupees plus transport. Painting is again based on a lump sum basis. Waterproofing is based on a square feet basis. So the overall cost divided by the square feet will be your per square feet cost. So yeah, it is a Aerocon. What is the Bison board? See, Bison is a company, Aerocon is a company, Birla company. So both of them, they manufacture the panels, boards also. So the Bison board also can be used. Bison board is a very sophisticated, superior structure, board surface when compared to the other boards. You can use both of them, there is no problem in that. But we prefer the panels because panels have got more strength than the boards. Boards can be utilized only if there is any constraint in the space or height, then we suggest the boards. Otherwise, there is no much difference between the costing for the boards and the Bison boards and the panels. So we just suggest for the Aerocon panels only. So Bison boards also can be used. We have used at our Trichy project, we have used the Everest boards. Different company names are there. So that's it. So not much difference. Whatever it is, you need a technical team who can analyze all these proper Assam. No, we don't have any branch. Sukanta Das, we are yet to start. We need some time to start it because we have a limited team to take up this kind of jobs, and these are very complicated things which it is not something regular. We have a standard operating procedure. It depends on the technical knowledge of the person who is executing the project also. Different locations have different challenges. So lot of factors will come into the picture to take up this project. We cannot appoint any franchisee. We cannot delegate this to work to any local this thing. So it's like a responsibility work which we have to seriously consider. Unlike all the other construction things, people will think that you can get a local people and get this done. Otherwise, it is a very responsible work. What we try to do is we execute proper project with reliability and the commitment. So these are not all money making projects. Also very negligible the money what you make when compared to the risk and the responsibility and the commitments what you have. So people, you should find passionate people who are doing this kind of work. So that is what we are doing it. So we are planning to expand it to different geographical locations probably in the next 2 years. So here the fabrication work and all that things are going on. Probably in a day or two, we'll be uploading all the drone videos and the roof videos, waterproofing videos. All those things will upgrade. So we request to follow our Instagram channel also. Sometimes it would be difficult for us to focus on the two platforms to give the updates. Whatever the best we are trying to do, we are doing it. So that's it for today, and thanks for joining. We'll keep on posting the updates on the YouTube and Instagram channel. So kindly follow. If you have any specific request, there is a website and my contact number is there in that website. You can follow up in the what is the life of this. So Sukanta, this is not a LGSF structure. First of all, LGSF is light gauge steel frame. So in steel, you have two types of steel. One is hot rolled and one is the cold rolled form. Cold rolled is something which is having higher durability, which is lighter in weight, but it is very costly. Okay, and this is hot rolled. The structure what you are seeing is a mild steel hot roll, hot rolled. So this hot roll structure and the LGSF structure both have the same durability, 75 plus years of life for this steel structure. LGSF is a little bit costly, but they are in lightweight, so they don't come in this kind of big sections and all. So hot rolled is very affordable when compared to the LGSF. LGSF is more costly, something like the total structure itself, people are doing it at 2,400 and all that, which is very high, which is not affordable by even the people who are having money. So that is why LGSF has not become famous. This mild steel can be available at every place. It can be easily used. It can be easily cut. So the general question comes is the rusting part. If you do the regular enamel painting for 3 years, 4 years, that's it. These can have a very good life as the carbon percentage is 0.06%, which is very less. Uh, yeah, how you waterproofing also the similar. Waterproofing generally we will do the enamel paint and we pack it with the fiber cement board or the bison board so that the board will not get rushed. I have already shown this particular query in the previous videos. I'll try to make one more video for this one because this is a very specific and genuine query. Most of the people they ask it. Not a problem even if it comes in the bathroom also. If there is any rusting also not a problem. You can do sanding and then you can apply a paper. You can do fiber cement board waterproof. After that you can apply tile also. Many things are there. You need to have common sense. You need to have a good team who can understand these technicalities. That's it. Not a big problem. It's a very good procedure. Future all these kind of buildings is going to be built with this kind of steel structure and drywalls only. You get lot of now environmental restrictions. All these traditional building brick block work, they are polluting the environment and they are contributing for the AQI. So we need to switch to the alternate building materials. So steel structures will be popular in the coming next 10 years. Thank you so much, Sukanta, for your queries. Take out my number. You can WhatsApp me. My number is there in the website. And hope you are having a very good and a blissful year in the coming ad of 2026. And have a good day. Thank you.